Hello there everyone, I am Corporate Naps and welcome back to my channel. Coming to you with another style video. This is a perfect style if you are in spring or summertime and you want to add a little pizzazz to your updo. So all you're going to need is, for me, because of the length of my hair, I'm going to use 2 hair ties, bobby pins, and these are the large bobby pins that I always use, and a hair scarf. And this is just a regular hair scarf. This is more the size of a neckerchief, the ones that you kind of tie around your neck. And that's all you're going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already have my hair just kind of all pulled to one side. I haven't done anything to the sides just because I typically don't, and they're going to be covered for this style, so it doesn't really matter. And all I'm going to do is take my hair, push it to the front, and there is a reason for this. This is going to be in the front there, and then of course all of it going to one side. And all I am going to do, you see I still have a lot of hair here. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's okay. But I'm going to take my ponytail holder and I'm going to put it in sort of the place in my hair that I know is going to fall out of the ponytail a bit easier. I don't know if that makes sense, but a place where most of the hair, doesn't matter, it doesn't all have to be in there. You can see my shorter pieces are out there. And I'm gonna take my last one, and remember, depending on the length of your hair, you may not need both. I'm gonna take the last one and put it on the lowest part of my locks where there's still a good amount of them. So this area that is at the back, the reason you have to worry about it is because you're basically going to just do a little tuck in there. See, so they're up and out of the way. I'm gonna take the lower part of my locks and tuck them. Tuck, 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 roll, roll, roll. And I am tucking and rolling towards the inner part of my locks, right? The inner part of sort of the bang area, right? Now, for some people, and I have actually done an updo that is similar to this, but this can be an updo if you do a bit of tailoring with it. All I'm doing here is placing my bobby pins so that my little pompadour here does not fall, okay? So that it doesn't fall. Now, it's pretty stable here. It doesn't have to be perfection, so to speak, because it's gonna be covered, right? And I have my bang there still. And I take the scarf and I kind of put it. And all I'm gonna do is take the scarf and I am going to bring it up around my pompadour, if you will, and I'm going to tie it as tightly as I can. You see, that does not have to be perfect there in the front because it's just gonna serve as your bang. And one of my bobby pins are slipping out there, and that's okay because it's not gonna fall because the scarf is not going to allow it to fall. And that is that. And I take this little piece right here and I tuck it. That is the style, guys. Now, I sometimes will take this and pull it over this way a little bit, but for the most part, I just leave it there on that pompadour. This is not going anywhere. It doesn't look messy to people, and you just want that scarf to be tucked in and neat so that it's just looking like a regular scarf, right? And that is your look. It gives you sort of that faux Rosie the Riveter type of look. And I love this. I don't know what it looks like in the back right now. I usually have my mirror in the bathroom, but that is the look. Is that not the most simple thing ever? I love doing this in the spring and the summertime with a little sundress on or some little shorts. And for me, it does not move. If you don't feel like it's going to stay in place, you can always secure bobby pins here in the hair and along the scarf. And if you want to feel comfortable that it's not seen, you can kind of put it behind your ear so that nobody sees it. But that is the look. And that little pompadour there, you see that? Serves as your bang. Tell me what you guys think. Look, if you guys like these style videos, let me know. Comment below, as well as give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not already subscribed, be sure to do so. I have created an Instagram page, as some of you may know. Look above in the banner. But even newer than that, I have created a TikTok page. So feel free to look above in the banner and join me on TikTok and Instagram for more insight information. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that everyone is being safe, and take care.